I like maintenance and gross. Talk about that
Right.
one if you would.
Well, we will, but let's talk about one more thing first, and it will build up to that. The other one is permanent maintenance, and that's a situation. I've had a couple things from time to time here where the folks are older. One of the spouses that's going to be receiving the maintenance is disabled and can't work, and so it's going to be permanent maintenance, and they're going to equalize what the income is pretty much until that person passes away or gets married, or until the payor passes away, or until his situation changes, something like that. And then maintenance and gross. Maintenance and gross is a specific dollar amount that's paid over time, so in installments. So let's just say maintenance and gross of, $120,000, payable in 12 installments. So what's that, Dave?
10,000 each.
10,000 each. So every month, 10,000 bucks. That's good and that's bad. And again, you could use whatever figures you want. You can
prepay that though.
You could prepay that, but you could use whatever figures and make it less or more, or expand it instead of over 1 year, 2 years, whatever. I mean, it just the concept is the same. The problem with maintenance and gross, well, the benefit is that that's it. There's no coming back into court. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. After that last payment is made, you're done.
Is it subject to statutory events?
You know what? It is.
It is.
It is.
So it's not truly non-modifiable.
Well, no. However, here's the problem with that, though. Barring that, and we'll talk about those triggering events, barring that, the problem is going to be this, all right? If something happens to my job and I get fired, and then I'm actually truly working at McDonald's, not because I quit, but because I got fired and I'm stuck. That's the amount I got to pay. Too bad, so sad. So, it's a little bit of a gamble.
Yeah.
Statutory events for terminating maintenance in any of these situations, a lot of times, and it's got to be specific, it will tell you that you have to do, 36 payments or whatever it is of X amount, or it could be that the cohabiting on a continuing conjugal basis with someone else, unless that's written out of it. If that's in your agreement, it just depends on what you're in agreement to, because you can exclude that. Mm-hmm. Either a party dies, those type of things will terminate maintenance.
Okay.
We've got one going right now where it's cohabiting, and so it's just identifying the time when that cohabitation occurred.